Hi, this is Michael from the North Richland Hills Library. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the library's pickup lockers. Pickup lockers are an alternate location to the library where you can request and pick up holds at. To request to pick up an item at the library lockers, you'll need to find an item in the catalog that you want to request first. Once you find an item, place a hold on it. By default, the pickup location will be at the North Richland Hills Library. We can now change that. Click on the pickup location and choose an alternate location. Click Confirm Hold to place your hold. Now we'll have to wait for staff to retrieve the book or for the book to come in for us. You can see the one I just placed on hold is pending and not ready to pick up. The one above it that I placed on before is ready to be picked up at the pickup lockers. Be aware, not all items can be picked up at the pickup lockers. Staff may alert you that an item is too big to fit in those lockers. You'll find the pickup lockers on the Grand Avenue side of the building near the entrance. To locate your locker, you'll look for the first 3 letters of your last name, the first letter of your first name, and the last 4 digits of your telephone number you have on file with the library. To open the locker, press C, the last 4 digits of your card number, and then the lock button. Then take your items, they're already checked out to you, and you're good to go. Thanks, and happy reading!